Hi everyone, welcome to my another new video. So in this video I will show you how can you save or download Instagram Reels in your mobile gallery from only one trick. Very easy 2022. So please keep watching this video till end, and if you like this video please like, share and subscribe my channel. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So guys, if you want to save or download Instagram video or Reels, so just open Instagram app, and now you can select any reels and video. So for example, this is one reel, so just you have to click on this video or reels. Now I pause this, and you can see here is one three lines icon, so just click on this, and then simply you have to click on this copy link. Okay, you have to copy link of any video which you want to save or download it in your mobile gallery. Okay, just copy link of that video, and now you can see here link copied, and then just you have to open your web browser. Any web browser you can open in your smartphone or PC, and then here you have to search one website, save from net. Okay, you have to search this save from net. Okay, and then you can see here the first website, save from net, and this website link is in the description. You can see here save from net, and then simply in the first tab you can see here search bar, enter the url means link, and now you have to paste that video or reels link. Okay, paste that link, and then click on go button, and then you can download this. So now you can see here the video. Okay, and then you can see here download button, so just click on this download button, this download button, first download. So just click on this download, and then this video will be download. Okay, you can see here in my notification this video reels has been downloaded in my mobile gallery. So I open my mobile gallery. Okay, so I open it, and then you can see here okay, you can see here the live proof, same reel I have downloaded in my mobile gallery from this website save from net. This is very easy and simple method. Okay, so this is the website, and this is the trick to download any reels or video to your mobile gallery 2022. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So bye bye guys.